Hey Ophelia, I love you. Today we're going to read Rainy Day Friends. One cloudy day, Witsy worried that Teeter and Totter wouldn't have a place to go when it rained. "We've got to help the turtles stay dry," he said. "I'll help you carry the laundry basket, Witsy," said Boof. "I'll bring a sheet from the clothesline to convert them," said Lula. The four friends made a rain fort at the edge of the pond for Teeter and Totter. "This should keep them dry," said Patches. Then they hurried back to the house to wait for the rain. They made the fort. Suddenly, a big gray cloud opened up and it began to pour. "Oh dear," cried Lula. "Poor Teeter and Totter." At the pond, Witsy pointed to the turtles. "Look," he cried. "Oh my," said Lula. "They're hiding," said Patches. "That's funny," said Boof with a laugh. Teeter and Totter were tucked inside their cozy shells, dry as could be. The end. I love you.